To get started with using Afterpay and Stockx, begin by opening your web browser and searching for Stockx. The first search result should be stockx.com, which will direct you to the website. The web page will display various features and options. To use Afterpay, it's essential to check the payment methods accepted by Stockx, as the availability of Afterpay may depend on your location. You can find this information through the Help Center on the Stockx website, which lists the forms of payment they accept, including major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Additionally, they accept debit cards in the United States, Alipay, and PayPal, as well as other region-specific payment methods such as WeChat Pay in China, Alipay HK in Hong Kong, and Kakao Pay in Korea. In North America, the European Union, and the UK, you can also use Apple and Google Play. While some crypto options are available, using Afterpay directly through Stockx is not currently possible, although you may be able to link it through your Afterpay account.